everyone! Welcome back to Talk Maya. Learning English is easy and fun here. How are you today?
Hello, and hello to all our amazing listeners. I feel great today. How about you?
I feel super happy, and I'm excited because today's topic is something everyone knows.
Ooh, tell me, what is it?
Today, we are talking about family.
Ah, family. I love this topic. It's perfect for beginners.
Yes, everyone has a family, big or small. Family is always special.
Before we start, please remember to like this video and subscribe to Talk Maya. It helps us so much.
Thank you. Okay, ready to talk about family?
Let's go. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have 2 brothers and 1 sister. So yes, my house was always loud. Very loud, but fun.
I can imagine. What are their names?
My older brother is Tom. My younger brother is Mark. My sister is Jessica.
Nice. Are you close to them?
Yes, we talk every week. Tom is funny. Mark is quiet but smart. Jessica is creative. She loves drawing.
Wow, nice mix. I have only one sister. Her name is Laura. She is younger than me and very energetic. She loves sports.
Grandparents are very special. I have 2 grandmothers and 1 grandfather.
What are their names?
My grandmother on my mother's side is Elena. On my father's side, her name is Rose. My grandfather is George. He tells the best stories.
Aw, that's sweet. My grandmother is Sophia, and my grandfather is Michael. They live in the countryside with a big garden. Okay, next part of the family tree. Aunts and uncles.
I have 1 uncle, Peter. His wife is Mary, my Aunt Mary. And I have 2 more aunts, Carol and Susan.
Wow, that's a lot of aunts.
Yes, and because of that, I have many cousins.
Tell me.
Cousin Chloe, cousin Daniel, cousin Olivia, and cousin Leo.
Nice. I only have 2 cousins, Ben and Sam. We play video games together.
Let's practice describing family. Easy English.
Okay. My sister Laura has long brown hair.
My brother Tom is very tall.
My father has short gray hair.
My grandmother has a warm, kind smile.
My cousin Ben is friendly. My cousin Olivia is smart.
Great. You can say, my mother has long hair. My brother is funny. Simple and perfect.
What does your family like to do together?
On Sundays, we eat a big lunch together. My mom cooks the best food.
Yum. My family loves movie night. We eat popcorn and watch funny movies.
With my cousins, we play board games. Very competitive.
My sister and I like walking in the park. Very relaxing.
Family is special, and it's a great topic to practice English because you know your family.
Yes, you can say easy sentences like, I have 1 sister. My father is tall. My family likes movies.
Exactly. Simple sentences help you learn fast.
Thank you for listening to Talk Maya today.
Please comment below. Tell us one thing about your family. We love reading your comments.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
Let's talk about family traditions. Every family has something special they do.
Yes. For example, my family has Pizza Friday. Every Friday evening, we eat pizza together. It's simple but fun.
That's cute. My family has Sunday cleaning. We clean the house together every Sunday morning.
Wow, teamwork. Who works the hardest?
Me, of course. Everyone else pretends to work. My father just holds a broom and says,
I am supervising.
Every dad does that. Supervising means not doing anything.
All right, listeners, let's practice English together. I say a sentence, you repeat it.
Ready? Let's go.
My family is important to me.
My father is kind.
My mother cooks delicious food.
I have 2 cousins.
My sister is funny.
Nice. Good job, everyone.
Now, let's learn how to ask questions about someone's family.
Yes, these are very easy questions.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
How many people are in your family?
What does your father do?
What is your mother like? That means, what is her personality?
Great. Let's make a small conversation.
I ask you first. Ready?
Go.
How many people are in your family?
There are 6 people in my family.
Nice. Now your turn.
How many people are in your family?
Just 4. My parents, my sister, and me.
Let's learn simple words to describe people.
Yes, easy English words. Kind, nice. Funny, makes you laugh. Smart, good at thinking. Friendly, good with people. Quiet, not talkative. Loud, talks a lot.
For example, my mother is kind. My brother is loud. My cousin is smart.
Let's try a funny one. My uncle is loud and funny. A dangerous combination.
Perfect description. Families in every country do different things together.
Yes, for example, some families eat big dinners. Some go to the temple, church, or mosque. Some go to the park. Some watch TV together.
In my family, we love road trips. We get in the car, choose some music, and drive for hours.
My family loves karaoke, but nobody can sing, not even a little.
Oh, same as my family. We sing very loudly and very badly.
Bad singing together equals good memories.
Let's do a short role play. Listeners, imagine you are meeting a new friend,
I will be the new friend.
and I will ask questions. Listeners, answer with Maya. Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother.
Is he older or younger?
He is older.
What is he like?
He is funny and friendly.
Great job, everyone!
If you could add one dream family member, who would it be?
Maybe a chef uncle. Someone who cooks every day. Free food.
Good choice. I want a cousin who owns a beach resort.
Oh, wow! Free vacations.
Yes, please.
Families teach us many things. Love, respect, kindness.
Yes, my grandparents always said family first.
Mine said, eat first, then talk. Very wise family.
Same idea. Food brings people together.
Let's do final practice. Repeat after us. My family supports me.
I am thankful for my family.
I love spending time with my family.
Great! You did amazing today.
Now your homework. Write one sentence about your family in the comments. For example, I have one sister. Or, my father is funny.
We love reading your comments. That was a great lesson today.
Yes, and don't stop learning now.
Click our next video to practice more English.
We'll see you there.
Hey, before you go, don't leave.
Yes, your next English lesson is waiting.
Thank you for watching Talk Maya.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
See you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.